Most people use Google every day, but very few know how to search efficiently. In the next 90 seconds, I will show you 3 simple Google search tricks that can save you a lot of time. Let's jump right in. Here's the first trick. Search within a website. If you're looking for information on a specific website, don't waste your time clicking through pages. Simply type site:website.com, your keyword. For example, site:wikipedia.org, artificial intelligence. Now Google will only show results from that website. Here's our second trick. Search for an exact phrase. If you're searching for an exact quote or sentence, place it inside quotation marks. For example, how to reset an iPhone. This helps Google find pages containing those exact words in the same order. Here's our third trick. Exclude unwanted results. If you don't want results from a certain topic, use the minus sign. For example, Apple minus fruit. Now Google focuses on Apple, the technology company, instead of the fruit. And that's it. 3 simple Google search tricks that can make your searches faster and more accurate. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.